Well, Jerry, we're kicking off this Monday with some areas of patchy dense fog along portions of the I-5 corridor. But that will be lifting and leading to a pretty pleasant day as the clouds are going to decrease. And we've got a really nice quiet weather pattern as we settle into this week and look at the extended forecast. But the dense fog I was mentioning this morning is in Red Bluff, where visibility is at a quarter of a mile. So that is very dense fog, the kind of fog you got to take things slower to get through. And so if you're traveling along the I-5 corridor, anywhere between Redding to Willows and moving between, of course, Red Bluff, take things slower. And if you are maybe going out for the morning run, have a headlight or any reflectors on so anybody can see you if you are in the area. Temperatures, you might want the light jacket this morning because we've got the low 40s in many spots. However, we'll be warming up eventually and expecting to see some nice sunny conditions. We've got passing clouds this morning, but temperatures, I think in Chico and Willow is going to stay a bit cooler because the clouds will hang on a bit longer. But in Redding today, we could get nearly to 60 degrees. So here's how it's looking to play out. We'll have the clouds clearing out. Going to deal with some patchy fog along the I-5 corridor and along US 99, but that will clear out. We're going to have passing clouds and temperatures warming up to those upper 40s. Step further south you go to the mid to upper 50s in Red Bluff and Redding. Now, what we'll see tonight is actually a front pushing through. That could bring some stray showers around midnight to 1 a.m. towards Red Bluff and Chico, but that's not going to bring too much in the way of rain for us. If anything, it will be trace amounts. And then Tuesday, starting off dry, and we'll have a mix of sun and clouds. But when we look towards the next few days, what's going to be happening is not much change. We've got an area of high pressure that's just sitting out there in the Pacific, and it's not going to be impacting our weather too much. It might be warming us up by the end of the week in the next few days, but what it's not going to do is bring us anything in the way of rain. It's actually going to keep us dry. Few spots could get a little bit under an inch, maybe a tenth or so, and this is also going to prevent us any snow because temperatures will stay warmer. So looking at the full forecast, we've got upper 40s for today. It's one of the cooler days this week for us in Chico. Mornings in the upper 30s, but 50s return tomorrow and low 60s by Wednesday for us in Chico, and we are staying dry. Upper 50s to low 60s this whole week in Redding, and you can see we're going to have a mix of sun and clouds, but staying dry for the extended forecast.